Welcome to this training video on supporting children with dyscalculia, moderate severity in primary school. We'll explore real classroom challenges and structured intervention steps that can help strengthen math learning. In the next 15 minutes, we will discuss what moderate dyscalculia looks like, common challenges in school and at home, step-by-step intervention strategies, classroom and home accommodations, and key takeaways and summary. A child with moderate dyscalculia has difficulty applying basic and intermediate math concepts even after repeated practice. They may struggle with counting, sequencing, and skip counting, and have difficulty understanding place value and regrouping. They can become confused during addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division steps, and struggle with memorizing tables or mental math. They frequently mix up symbols such as plus, minus, multiply, and divide, and avoid math tasks due to repeated failure. They may show anxiety or dependence on others for math tasks. These challenges are linked to number sense deficits, working memory difficulties, and executive function delays, affecting problem solving and strategy selection. You may observe difficulty copying problems correctly from the board and difficulty solving word problems even with guidance. They may also have trouble understanding time, measurement, and money concepts. Forgetting learned math steps quickly, or giving up or freezing when asked to solve independently are also common signs. Professionals may use key math diagnostic, CBM math assessments, error analysis, and curriculum-linked checklists. Tracking small progress steps weekly helps build success. Use number lines, 10 frames, hundreds charts, and base 10 blocks. Teach children to compare numbers visually and understand magnitude. Show 45 versus 54 using tens and ones blocks. Ask the child to explain the difference. Introduce regrouping using concrete materials before written symbols. For example, with 23 plus 19, use tens blocks to regroup into 4 tens and 2 ones, then write the equation. Teach using the sequence: model, guided practice, supported practice, and independent practice. Use visual checklists for solving steps. Use bar models, number bonds, and part-whole diagrams. Also use color-coded symbols for each operation, such as red for addition, blue for subtraction, green for multiplication, and yellow for division. Teach children to solve word problems using the RECS method: read, underline keywords, choose the operation, and solve with model or drawing. Use dice and card games, beads and abacus, fraction circles, and place value flip charts. Also use games like Uno and Snake and Ladders for number sequencing. Provide table charts and visual formula guides and graph paper for alignment. Also provide extra time and fewer but meaningful math problems. In school, helpful supports include extra time for math tasks, allowing manipulatives always, and simplified problem steps. Peer-assisted learning, oral explanations, and frequent feedback are also beneficial. At home, short 10-minute daily practice routines are effective. Use shopping, cooking, and time routines as math opportunities. Encourage effort instead of accuracy. To summarize, moderate dyscalculia affects place value, operations, and problem solving. Step-by-step instruction plus manipulatives build understanding. Visual models and real-life practice help solidify concepts. Reduce pressure, increase confidence, and celebrate progress. Consistent support at school and home leads to growth. Thank you for watching. With patience, structure, and encouragement, children with dyscalculia can learn successfully and confidently.